In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to make enhance quality of images with AI. So first of all, we need to go to Novoads AI. The link is going to be in the comment section. And once you arrive here, you need to create an account. After that, you will arrive here. And here, we need to click where it says see more. Now, we're going to use the increase resolution tool. And now we have to click here. Now, the image that I'm going to use is this one that, as you can see, if I make a little bit of zoom, the quality is really bad because it's an old image. So now let's click here. And now we have to click where it says enhance resolution. And now we have to wait more or less 1 minute. Perfect. Here we have the image. And as you can see, the quality now is much better. Actually, let's compare the difference. As you can see in this image, the quality is very, very bad. But in this one, if we do zoom in, the quality is much better. So if you want to try this platform and do images like the one we created, I want to tell you that you can try this platform for just $1. Actually, Novoads AI is a platform where you can do videos, you can do images, ads, and actually there are many functionalities that you can see here. So I recommend you to just try it. It's just $1. And then if you don't like it, you can just cancel. So well, after saying that, if you have any doubts, you can comment in the comment section and see you in the next video.